Protein is important in building muscle, but it isn't the only thing you should be eating. Aside from protein, your body also needs carbohydrates like whole grains and healthy fats from avocado and fish. Today, we're going to tell you which other foods you should be eating to get the most out of your muscle building buck. Stay tuned. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 1. Whey protein. Whey protein powder is a highly effective protein source. It's also super versatile as you can add it to shakes, smoothies, and oats. Some ready-to-eat products like bars and yogurts have whey. Number 2. Lean meats. Animal products are typically an excellent source of protein, especially lean meats like chicken and turkey. They're a low-fat meal option chock full of amino acids which support muscle growth and recovery. Number 3. Whole grains. Brown rice and bread are good sources of carbohydrates and fiber. These two and other whole grains are essential for fueling your energy throughout the day. Also, hormones like insulin are produced in response to nutrients from carbohydrates and some amino acids. Such hormones and some amino acids contribute to muscle growth. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs are a power food mostly because of their rich nutrient profile, containing protein, fat, and a generous mix of vitamins. In addition to being dense with nutrients, they also have a hefty dose of leucine, an amino acid known for its muscle-building prowess. Number 5. Dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are also popular protein food options. Not only do they taste good, but they're also extremely convenient and offer calcium. Dairy products have a combination of whey and casein protein, which works to boost muscle protein synthesis. Need more lean sources of protein? Look no further than fish. More about this here. Number 6. Fish. Oily fish such as salmon and tuna are potent with protein. They're also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which may improve muscle performance and even help prevent the loss of muscle mass. Number 7. Beans and lentils. Animal products aren't the only ones that have protein. Some plant-based foods like beans and lentils are also high in protein. They make a great energy source as they have slow-releasing carbohydrates and fiber. Number 8. Soybeans. If you want to build muscle with a meatless diet, then soybeans should be one of your staples. Soybeans are packed with a strong punch of protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. Number 9. Nuts. Eat nuts in moderation and you have a dependable ally in building muscle. These on-the-go tasty snacks provide a perfect mix of protein, fiber, and fats. For the most nutrient-rich nuts, go for almonds or walnuts. In addition to including those foods in your regular diet, you should take supplements as well. Click here to learn about the top supplements you should consider as you go on with your muscle-building journey.